Wouldn't.
Let me
Lisa
take a look
Simpson, I
at
think your
this.
superpower must be stealing
Wow.
hearts.
That is massive, man.
How do you feel about exploitation now?
This is the first ever blizzard warning in 2026.
How much longer do I have to keep up this kookaburra charade?
I do not want your bosses at Marvel Studios to know that I used your drunken thumb to see that movie.
You think I'm your jolly swag man, do you? Well, my jumbuck's going to be free from your tucker bag next Thursday, when that movie goes wide on every screen in creation. And after that, you're nothing. Let's get this party finished!
He's right. I'm running out of time. This is Endgame.